Good day, Mom and Sir. My name is Moraline Cruz. I'm 35 years old, happily married, and blessed with 3 children. One boy, age is 14 years old, two girls, age is 9 years old and 6 years old. I have 9 siblings, 4 brothers and 5 sisters. I'm the 8th in our family. I'm a graduate of vocational course, 1-year nursing assistant. My height is 155 centimeter. I recently finished my 4 years contract here in the Philippines as a nanny and a helper of 6 people. A 69 years old grandma, a 40 and 41 years old couple, a 7 years old boy, a 4 years old girl, and a 3 months old baby girl. My main duties are to take care of the children, especially the newborn, to cook, to clean the house, to wash and iron the clothes, and to do the marketing. I'm an honest, patient, hardworking, and responsible person. I hope, Mom and Sir, you will give me a chance as a helper to your family, and I'll promise I will follow your rules and regulations and do my duty with dedication and do my very best to serve your family. Thank you and God bless.